The local government of Binangonan, Rizal unveils a new pasyalan drawing crowds for its giant eco-friendly Christmas tree and its first ever night market. The details in this report by Mobile Journal Jazz Paredes.
As the Christmas season draws near, a new Christmas pasyalan becomes a hit in Binangonan, Rizal. With its theme Paskuhan sa Binangonan, the municipality aims to make the Christmas season more vibrant and festive for everyone. The center of attraction at the Paskuhan is their giant Christmas tree, placed in front of the Binangonan Municipal Hall. It is made entirely out of recycled materials and embodies the spirit of Binalayan.
Binalayan stands for Binangonan, Salawa at Kawayan. Ito po talaga yung pinaka-source po ng aming pong inspiration po. So, embrace po ang ating bayan sa kanilang culture and tradition po. Ito po ay made from recycled materials, plastics, kawayan po. Siyempre po, ang aming pong pinagmula na bayan, produkto, and sa mga fisher folks po natin kung saan po ito po yung talagang main source po ng kabuhayan at dito po talaga yung pong nakikilala po ang bayan ng Binangonan.
The Christmas tree is made of water containers, plastic cups, used lambat, CDs, used spoon and fork, drinking straws, used computer parts, and petroglyphs. It honors the town's main livelihood, the lake and its fishermen. Meanwhile, the highlight of the Paskuhan is its night market, held for the first time in the town.
First time po itong nangyayari sa Binangonan, ito pong Binangonan Night Market. And this is to support our local micro, small, and medium enterprise po sa ating pong bayan ng Binangonan. And yun nga po sa team po ng ating bayan, which is yung Malcolm Binangonan, we have to love our own. So support our own products and local businesses.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Binangonan!
The night market features 35 stalls, each offering a unique selection of food, Binangonan-made products, and other non-food items. The uniqueness of each stall helps lessen competition, ensuring that all vendors can generate profit. This aligns with the goal to help local MSMEs through the event.
Kahit na po lahat ng Binangonan yung lahat po ng product na lang po talaga yung gagawin namin, ay dadalhin namin. Kaya napakalaking opportunity po nito sa amin. Tsaka napakalaking tulong din po sa business. May mga pangangailangan din po sa family na pro-provide na po dahil po dito sa night market. Yes po.
Yes po, super po, nakatulong. Then, nakakapagbigay din po kami ng saya sa tao, lalo na po ako kasi kapag may lumalapit pong taon, ini-entertain ko po talaga ng very well. Siyempre, para po maging mahasaya po ang ating bazaar sa Binangonan Municipality.
From snacks to rice meals and a variety of desserts, the night market offers different cuisines to suit every taste bud. While dining, visitors are also kept entertained through open mic performances. Anyone can sing or perform with no age restrictions. Perfect for a group of friends and families to sit, enjoy their food, and listen to good music.
Maayos naman, maganda kasi bihira kami lumabas. Hindi kagaya ng nandito kami ngayon sa lugar namin, may malapit. Madali kami makapag-banding ng family.
Para mapil naman na kami mga taga-bila at still young. Kumbaga yung moment nung kabataan namin nung high school, mapil pa namin. Mura lang po, masarap pa.
The night market is open every day from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. until January 23. Live dance and song performances are also expected every Friday starting 7 p.m. onwards. Anyone can visit and admission is free. Kapatid Chas Paredes, we are One News.